Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google and join Google Classroom on your Motorola Edge 30. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for the app. Write Google Classroom. Like this. Hit the search button, select this app and then install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, select Get Started. You can choose already existing account for this classroom or add another one. I'm gonna choose the one that is already existing. Click OK. If you want to join the class, press on the plus and then join class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering the class code, click join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.